Hello, I'm Monica. Today I want to show you how you can easily do beautiful marble design in just a few seconds. Let's start. You will need a thin brush, a chain, white gel polish and some other colored gels. Start with applying white gel on the whole surface. Don't cure that lump yet, but apply another color. While it's still wet, slightly move chain along whole surface. You can see how beautifully these colors mix together. You can use any color and pull chain anyhow you want, and the result will always be great. In this design, I decided to apply golden foil to make it look even more interesting. I couldn't stop making other ones because I like it so much. When you aren't satisfied with first move, you can try it again, as many times as you want. And then apply glitters or stones. If your chain doesn't work very well, don't worry, the result will be just fine. Thank you for watching. I hope you will enjoy doing this style same as me. I will see you next time. Bye bye!